gorgeous little stamp die, which I just love. And I didn't even realise, but look at that. When you've used it, it stamps out the word thanks as well in little tiny letters. How cute is that? That is so cute. I didn't even realise that. Anyway, it's an edging die, so I'm just going to have a go at using it. So I've just got a 5x5 there, white base. And then if I was going to pop that on the top, now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use my die on the rose red piece. I'm going to get up my old bead shot. I think I'm going to have to snip it off, so I think it just needs to be just a little bit less than 5x5 which you would have it just less than 5 really if you were going to put it on. I'm just going to trim that up. If you were going to put it on a 5x5 card base, you'd have it a 1/16 or an 1/8 of an inch less, wouldn't you? And then I'm just going to pop through, and he ran it through once, which should have been enough. Yeah. I've got my little thanks. Ooh. They've come out of there. That piece probably can go to the bin. And then it's got this lovely stitched edging as well, but it's punched through a lot of that. It's actually, if I brush it from the other side, yeah, so that's really cute. So that's the card. So then that'd go at the top of the card, and it says thanks. But then what you could do is you could push your letters out and you could pop them to mirror itself, if you like, on your white section, couldn't you? Quite like that as it is. The only thing that's annoying me is the lack of a mark for the A. It's doing me in. Can't stand it that there's a bit of the A missing, so I'd probably have to just dot into some ink. And put a little bit in. That's better. I feel better about that now. I just used a pencil and just dotted in. Just scrub off your pencil to get rid of it when you're finished. I know what else you could do is just use the scalloped edge and do a couple more layers, maybe in different colours, or you know, black would be nice, or a pattern or something like that, without the thanks bit. I thought I'd show you that, and then you can have some ideas of what to do with it, because it's beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, so take care, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye bye.